We live in a world that often tells us that more is better. More possessions, more money, more activities, more food. This idea of more has become deeply ingrained, with many of us believing that accumulating or consuming more will somehow lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. As a matter of fact, someone just sent me a picture of a popular sandwich chain restaurant that had printed this message on the marquee. Life is like a sandwich. The more you add to it, the better it becomes. These messages surround us, both subtly and not so subtly, all day, every day. But what happens when we pause to question it? We begin to see the foolishness of the idea that our lives always need more. We might find that the pursuit of more doesn't always bring the joy and satisfaction we expect. In fact, oftentimes, the opposite is true. More only leads to overwhelm, stress, and a constant feeling that we never have enough. Letting go of the more is better mindset isn't always easy, especially when we're surrounded by messages that reinforce it daily. But by taking thoughtful, intentional steps, we can shift our focus towards a life of simplicity. That's what I want to talk about today, because it is so important in so many areas of life. Here are some genuinely practical ways to help you let go of the idea that more is better. Number one, decipher who is telling you that message. Take a moment to examine where the message of more is better is coming from. Is it from advertisements, social media, friends, or even family? Recognizing the sources can help you become more mindful of the influences around you and give you the power to question whether those messages align with your values and those voices have your best in mind. Are they telling you more is better because it improves your life or because it improves theirs? Once you're aware, it's easier to filter out the noise and choose your own path to fulfillment. Number two, related, question who benefits from your spending in particular. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something new, ask yourself who stands to gain from your purchase. Are you buying because it will genuinely add value to your life, or because a brand or influencer has convinced you that it will? Often, companies and advertisers benefit from the more is better mentality, while we only end up with excess items that we don't need. This simple question can serve as a powerful reminder to prioritize our own well-being over someone else's profit. Number three, evaluate the influence of more on your health. Consider the impact that the pursuit of more has on not just your physical health, but also your mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Does striving for more money, more possessions, or more activities leave you feeling anxious, tired, or depleted? Take stock of how your current lifestyle affects your overall well-being, because if the effects are more negative than positive, it might be time to reassess your priorities and make adjustments. A fourth way to let go of the idea that more is better is to just test out less and see if it's an improvement. Sometimes the best way to let go of more is to simply try out less for a little while. So experiment with a minimalist approach for a few weeks. In any area, reduce your spending, limit your activities, you can even simplify your meals. Observe the impact that it has on your life. You may discover that having less brings a sense of calm, clarity, and freedom that the pursuit of more could never achieve. That's what we discovered. During my Uncluttered course, I encourage everyone to partake in a modified version of Project 333. I challenge each person in the course to commit to wearing just 33 articles of clothing for a period of 3 weeks. Most are reluctant to try it at first, but everyone who follows through and tests it out thanks me afterwards. While most won't continue wearing only 33 articles of clothing, everybody learns from just that short experiment that owning more clothes isn't always better. That's what I mean by testing less and seeing if it improves your life more than constantly needing more and more. Number 5, study the examples of people you admire. Look to the lives of people you look up to who have chosen simplicity over excess. Whether they are friends, family, or public figures, studying how they live can offer valuable insights into the benefits of having less. Ask yourself what they might gain from a simpler approach to life and consider how you could apply similar principles to your own journey. Number 6, spend time alone. Spending time alone can help you reconnect with what truly matters. When we're alone, we're less likely to be influenced by the desires and the expectations of others. And so use alone time for self-reflection. Take a walk in nature, meditate, or journal about your values and goals. Being alone with your thoughts allows you to tune into your inner desires, helping you see that you don't need more to feel whole or happy. Number 7, list out the benefits you would experience with less. Take some time to sit down and create a personal list of the benefits you might experience by embracing less. What would happen in your life if you own less stuff? What would happen in your life if you kept a slower schedule? What if you spent less time on social media? Or what if you spent less money? This exercise of listing out the benefits allows us to reflect on specific areas of life where more may not be serving us and helps us visualize the positive outcomes of simplifying. By writing down these potential benefits, we make the abstract idea of less is more become tangible and more relevant to our life. Number 8, practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is a powerful tool for many good things in life. And so every day, take a few moments to reflect on what you're grateful for, whether it's your health, your family, or a wonderful moment or memory you just made. Focusing on gratitude shifts your mindset from wanting more to appreciating what you already have. And number 9, set intentional goals for your life. Setting intentional goals around big pursuits can help you define what truly matters. Instead of aiming for more money, more possessions, or more status, set goals that align with your deepest values. The types of things that bring real fulfillment, real meaning, and real purpose. Ask yourself what you want to achieve, who you want to become, what kind of life you want to lead. I think you'll find that when your goals are intentional, the desire for more fades and gets replaced by something better. Letting go of the idea that more is better is a gradual process, but it's one that can help you find greater peace and satisfaction in your life. In fact, very rarely is more the secret to a better life that you're looking for. Most of the time, we find that looking elsewhere. And before I go, thank you for making me part of your day today. It's been a joy to share this with you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch. If you'd like to keep walking this path of simple, intentional living with us, I recommend that you subscribe to the channel. That lets YouTube know that you want to see more of my videos and others just like it. And if something stood out to you today, let me know in the comments. I love hearing your stories and reading your insights.